Problem 4. How can this shape be split in one cut so that this is exactly half and half? Wow, that's a very sudden question. And before we do this, I need to show you something else. So right now I'm going to make a square. Okay, that should be square enough. And now I want you to find a way to split this square in half in different ways in one cut. Okay, so the most obvious one would be from the top to the bottom. From the top to the bottom. Okay. Maybe we should shift over a little bit. Okay. And another one would be, this side, this side, this side. Okay. And what if I tried something else? Maybe I could have done this or some other thing. These are all ways to split the square in half. And something special about them is that they all go through this one dot. So it means that this dot, if you think about it, is actually the very center of the square. So out of this, we have a conclusion that all lines that go through the center splits the shape in half, and this is especially with rectangles. So in half. This is a very, very important rule to master. So now we're going to use what we learned on this problem. How can this shape be split in one cut so that it is exactly half and half? Well, when we were doing this problem, we were doing rectangles. We were doing actually works if you do any longer square, taller square, rectangles, all sorts of shapes. These all work. But is this a rectangle? No. Is this a square? No. But does it include rectangles? Now that's the question to ask. Why don't we try to split it this way? It could go this way, but just anyway, it's fine. So in one cut, we are trying to split this in half. And this is the big rectangle, while this is a small rectangle. Our conclusion over here said that all lines going through the center splits the shape in one half. So first, let's try to locate the centers of each of these rectangles. I'll just do approximate, so approximate over there, approximately over here. Now, if we connect these two lines, we split this exactly in half. This part right here is equal to this part. This may not be the most perfect drawing, but this is actually just all there is to this question. This is very, very important. Thanks for watching.